In the final film, we open up our movie by looking back at where we left off with Judy and Nick in the first film. But in this early version, we began on a boat with a band of smuggling schemers being paid to bring something to town. The twist is that what they were smuggling in was actually a mysterious snake. What? Ultimately, that scene did not fit within the overall structure of our film, but it was really fun to explore, and we are now excited to share it with you.
Is it all there?
Aye, Captain. Lads counted it twice.
We counted it twice. This never happened. You know what to do.